Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to physics class. In this session is the end of our lesson in topic temperature. I have one example question for you, and in this meeting we will discuss it together. Okay, let's take a look to that question. At what temperature the Celsius and Fahrenheit thermometers measure the same temperature? Okay, as we know that we have the general equation that we can find the temperature by using this equation x negative x minimum over x maximum negative x minimum equals to y negative y minimum over y maximum negative y minimum. Okay, here we have two scales. The first scale is Celsius and the other scale is Fahrenheit. We can suppose that Celsius is in X scale while the Fahrenheit is in Y scale. Okay, let's consider that we have two thermometer scale. First one is in Celsius scale and then the second one is in the Fahrenheit scale. As we know that the thermometer must have the fixed point. These two fixed points are the freezing point and then the boiling point. This thermometer also must have the fixed point, freezing point and boiling point. The freezing point of water in pressure of 0 atmosphere in Celsius scale equals to 0 degrees Celsius, while its boiling point is at 100 degrees Celsius, while for the Fahrenheit scale the water is freezing at the temperature of 32 degrees Fahrenheit and it will boil when its temperature is 212 degrees. Here 0 here is the X minimum and 100 is the X maximum. 32 here is the Y minimum and 212 here is the Y maximum. Okay, and from the questions we have to find at which temperature that the Celsius and Fahrenheit measure the same temperature. It means that X here must be equals to Y. Yeah. X equals to Y. Okay, let's derive it. We can write it as X negative X minimum equals to 0 over X maximum 100 negative 0. Okay, don't forget degree. And then Y. Yeah, because the Celsius scale and Fahrenheit scale shows the same temperature, we can substitute Y as X. Here, like this. And then Y minimum, 32 over 212 negative 32. Okay, so this one is X over 100 equals to X negative 32 over, what is it? Yeah, here like this, and we can cancel this with this. This one is 5 and this one is 9. We can multiplying this side with this side and this side with this side here. Okay, actually we don't have any space, but I will erase this side. Okay. Okay, we can continue it here, yeah. Yeah, so 9x equals to 5 times x negative 32. So 9x equals to 5x negative 1600. Yeah. And then we can move 5x to the left side. So for the left side, we can write it as 4x equals to negative 1600. So x equals to negative 1600 over 4 equals to 40 degree. So here is the answer. And we can conclude that the Celsius and Fahrenheit shows the same temperature at 40 degree. Okay, I think that's all our lesson for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. For other questions, we can discuss it together in Zoom session. Thank you for listening, thank you for watching, and bye-bye.